Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are just going to be breaking down how to trade signals and overlays using, a LuxAlgo indicator. Alright, it's just going to be a step-by-step process. If you've seen those green and red signals popping up on your charts, but you are not sure how to trade them confidently, then this is where it all starts to make sense. Okay, let's just get right into it. Now, there are several LuxAlgo indicators available on TradingView. There are several of them. There are several LuxAlgo indicators available on TradingView. So we are just going to be looking at, an indicator that can help you with signals and overlays. The LuxAlgo indicators are designed to simplify your decision making. They're designed to simplify your decision making. Let's just this particular one is not available at this time, so trying to look for an alternative for us to understand the concept in itself. Okay, for us to understand the concept. Okay, we are just going to without wasting so much time. Let us understand the concept of overlays. Basically, overlays include dynamic support and resistance zones. All right, it includes dynamic support and resistance zones, reversal zones, trend lines and reversal clouds. Okay, so these give you context. A buy signal appearing at the bottom of a reversal cloud. If you get a buy signal at the bottom of a reversal cloud right near a support zone, you're getting a buy signal, right near a support zone, that's a high probability entry. But a sell signal in the middle of a trending move without confirmation, that is noise. All right, basically, you should be looking for buy entries around supports. You should be looking for sell entries around resistance, not just in the middle of the trends. Okay, not just in the middle of the trends. Now, when a signal appears, right, when you are looking for signals from an indicator and the signal appears, check the overlay environment. Is the signal near a key zone? Are you in a reversal cloud or near a trend line? You should be paying attention to all those, right? Then use confirmation. You can look for trend catcher alignment, maybe a shift in candle color or structure that shows momentum in your direction. Avoid trading in choppy conditions. If the overlays are flat or all over the place, the market is not giving a clear direction. All right. LuxAlgo signals work best in clear trending or reversal scenarios, not sideways chop. Okay. So now let's just break down the key overlays. For your support and resistance zones, these zones adapt in real time and help identify areas where price is likely to react. Okay. Actually important zones on your charts. Right. Now, reversal zones are areas that show potential turning points. We have discussed the difference between pullbacks, retracements, and reversals in a previous video. You might want to check that out. So reversals basically indicate turning points, when a bearish trend turns into a bullish trend, or when a bullish trend turns into a bearish trend. All right, trend lines show the structure of the market. You can use trend lines to identify the structure. Are we having higher highs and higher lows? Are we in a bullish trend? Are we in a bearish trend? Higher highs and higher lows for bullish trend, lower highs and lower lows for bearish trend. Okay, so in this case, this is an obvious bullish trend, right? And then in this case, you can see that this was a bearish trend, right? Now, when you combine signals, overlays, and structure, you've got a serious edge. One of the biggest mistakes new traders make is ignoring confluence. They take a buy signal in a downtrend or a sell signal in a reversal zone without confirmation. Don't do that. Always layer your decision making with what the overlays are telling you. To finish off, if you want to trade, with the LuxAlgo indicators and overlays like a pro, if you want to trade LuxAlgo's signals and overlays like a pro, focus on context, confirmation, and confluence. That's how smart traders use such indicators to stay consistent and make better decisions. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe so you never miss a tactical breakdown like this again. Comment below with your thoughts on LuxAlgo. What do you like most about any of LuxAlgo indicators? Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.